A lot of people ask me, what is parental alienation? Parental alienation is the act of one parent manipulating the child to hate the other parent. For example, if you have a father who says horrible things about the mother and tells the kids horrible things about the mother and coaches them to hate the mother, that is a form of parental alienation, and vice versa. If you have a mother that's manipulating the kids, coaching the kids to hate the father, that causes a lot of turmoil. That is parental alienation pretty much in a nutshell. Parental alienation could be done in various forms. There's subtle ways of mentally manipulating children to turn against the other parent. There are some parents who go full blown and they'll just completely kidnap the kids, run away, clear out your house. I'm speaking out of personal experience. I have had this happen to me. There are many, many different ways to look at it. The scary part about parental alienation is that it's not well known amongst the public. It's not common knowledge. It's something that's not talked about a lot. What's even more scarier is that the family courts do not know how to deal with parental alienation. When it comes to parental alienation, is they'll use horrible tactics such as making false sexual abuse allegations against the other parent. I've spent over a decade in the family courts. It's been 12 years that I have seen both mothers and fathers struggle with this, and it is a heinous crime. In order for the judge to grant that parent full custody and use that in their favor, that is something that is beyond disgusting. It's embarrassing. The kids suffer the most. Parents can remarry, they can get back on their feet, they can fall on their face, they can get back up again. Children only have one childhood. And the sad thing about parental alienation is that since it's not recognized by the courts and the courts don't know how to deal with it and the lawyers don't know how to deal with it, it's something that continues to go on nationwide. Parental alienation needs to be considered a crime. Unfortunately, it's not. It needs to get more attention through the media. That's the purpose of this YouTube channel, is to make parental alienation very well known. Police officers don't know how to deal with it. Judges don't know how to deal with it. Lawyers don't know how to deal with it. In the past, I have spent thousands on attorney fees, and I have had multiple attorneys. None of them worked. Unfortunately, they didn't work. They didn't know what to do in this case, and it's very sad. Unfortunately, since there are no penalties, people are going to get away with whatever. This channel is not meant for me to just talk about my situation, but it's for others out there who have experienced parental alienation. It also affects the whole entire family, not just the parents themselves. Being an alienated parent is miserable. It's a nightmare. It's something that I don't wish upon anyone. It's sad that I have to do this, but in order for me to reach out to my missing children, allegedly missing for legal purposes, I have to do this channel. This channel is basically a diary for me to share with my kids and to inform them and let them know that their father is always thinking about them, has always thought about them, is always thinking about them, and will continue to think about them until the day that I die. This channel is also a platform for them to reach out to me if they want to. I encourage anyone that is watching this video to please share your comments, subscribe, send a link to others who are going through this, because it's mentally exhausting. It's very difficult to cope with parental alienation unless if it's talked about. I feel that having group discussions, having Facebook pages, having public groups, speaking about it out in the open is very comforting. So please feel free to share your story with me, and let's all get together as a group and let's expose the family court corruption. And when I say expose parental alienation, I mean make it known to the general public. My heart goes out to any parent out there that has been alienated, that knows exactly what this feeling is like. I hope this channel will bring comfort to those who are experiencing this, and families as well. Parental alienation is nationwide. I hope that this information is helpful and insightful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to DM me. I posted a link on the bottom to my Facebook group. It's public. If you want to post your story and share it, any pictures, if you have diaries, journals, or whatever it is you want to do, please let me know. I also attached my phone number on there, so if you want to talk, or if you want to Zoom, or whatever it is, or just have group meetings and group chats, I would love that. That would be great. And I hope that I could bring some comfort to those who are struggling with this. Hope you all are doing well. Peace, love, and light.